Hey guys, today I'm talking about multimeter. This multimeter. Do you know about multimeter? Good, let me tell you a little secret about multimeter. If you're a repairer, if you're an engineer, a mobile phone engineer, you need this. You need to, if you don't have this, learn how to use it. Go and buy and learn how to use it. Right now it's on the beeping mode. Look at here, look at where I have just set it. Beeping mode. Okay, you see this place? This place helps you to identify a capacitor that is not working. This multimeter can also help you know about the phone that is on short. Okay, you can trace a short with multimeter. Yes, you can trace a short with multimeter. In every capacitor, they have negative and positive. Okay, capacitor has negative and positive. One is ground and the other one is not a ground. When you put your multimeter on it, it reads numbers. So when the capacitor is beeping, the ground is beeping, and also the other side that is supposed to be reading is also beeping. That means that capacitor, there is a problem on it. Okay, that's how you find out your short with this multimeter. And when things are not working, let's say display, let's say your you fix a different screen, is not displaying, you connect your screen, is not displaying, you have to use this. You have to use your multimeter to read the screen connector one after the other. Okay, you use this thing to read the screen connector one after the other. You have, if you don't have the drawing, if you don't have this drawing on your board, if you don't have it, what you have to do is that you get a phone. If you're working on iPhone, let's say you're working on iPhone 6, let's say you're working on iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 10, iPhone 11, any iPhone you're working on. If you're working on iPhone 6, what you just have to do is get the same iPhone 6 that is working perfectly. Okay, so after reading the one that is working, the screen connector that is working, after reading it, then you now go to the one that is not working and read it too. You will find out there is a fault there with this multimeter. This is what will help you to find out when you're reading the legs one after the other. What I mean by reading the legs is this. Okay, this is a this is iPhone 7. This is iPhone 7, and this is the screen. This is the screen connector. This is the screen connector here. Okay, this is the screen connector. This is iPhone 7. This is the screen connector. So when you are plugging the screen, when you are plugging a screen on this iPhone 7 and it's not displaying, you've changed several screens, it's not displaying. What you just have to do is you take your multimeter and read the legs of this screen connector. Read the legs one after the other. You will read the legs one after the other. When you read the legs, you get a 7 too that is working, that the screen is showing. You read the leg and compare the two of them. So that is the work of this, to help you find fault easily. This thing is very, very, very necessary in phone repair. This multimeter is very necessary. Learn how to use multimeter. Instead of they bring battery for you, a customer brings you battery and the phone is not on, you take the battery, you're testing it on your tongue. Wrong. That is local test. That is local repairs you're doing. You have to use your multimeter. You have to use your multimeter. You set your multimeter to this voltage. You set it to this 200, this volt. Yeah, this plays the right V. You set it here for battery checking. For battery checking, you put it here. For battery checking, you put it here to read the battery if there's current on it. If the battery is reading 2 point something, that means the battery is very low. If it's reading 3.1, it's very low. You have to kick the battery to 3 point something before the phone will turn on. If you find this information helpful to you, why not follow for more information? This is it. Okay.